Hi, I'm Becky, and today we're diving into a crucial update from Amazon that could significantly impact how you're running your promotions and coupons on their platform, especially if your business relies on Amazon coupons for growth. So this update is going to be key to optimizing your promotional strategy, and make sure to stay till the end where I'm going to share an important update also on customers stacking coupons. So on September 5th, 2024, Amazon has updated the maximum durations for 3 different types of coupons and really tailoring them for different sales strategies. So I'm going to break this down for you really quickly. The first is the standard coupons. That's going to now change to a maximum duration of 30 days. Reorder coupons, those can actually run for up to 180 days, which will really give loyal customers a reason to come back and get your product again. And then we've got the subscribe and save coupons that are going to now last up to a full year, which is great because that offers more of a long-term value for those that are on the subscription model. Now, those updates are going to allow you to really better align your promotions with your broader business objectives. So whether you're aiming to maybe attract repeat customers, or you want to boost your subscription count up, or maybe you're looking to quickly move some inventory. As you can see, you can connect your marketing strategies on Amazon to how and when they can use those coupons. So let me share with you why this matters. For established businesses, especially those that are really not solely just relying on Amazon, but also leveraging other platforms like Shopify or your own e-commerce store, those changes are going to give you an opportunity to create a more strategic promotional calendar. So with standard coupons, that's going to be perfect for, think of like more of your short-term campaigns, like product launches or seasonal promotions when you really want that quick surge in sales. So that could also be a good option for instance, when you have those slower selling inventories that you're trying to move and you want to really just start moving, especially that is at Amazon's warehouse. And then you have your reorder coupons. That's going to be more ideal for driving long-term growth, really for loyalty and also the repeat business, especially if you sell products that are consumables or just like everyday use items. That's going to be a great one if you're not really seeing solid results on like the data that you're looking at for your subscribe and save. Now there's subscribe and save, which is different. So this is your chance to really secure that long-term customer commitment when you can give them consistent value and also giving them a monthly recurring revenue, or however often the subscription frequency is. And are there times when people will unsubscribe? Yes, but typically what we see is that percentage is pretty low, and people can always choose, for instance, instead of canceling, they can always skip it when, for instance, they just don't need any more of your product at the moment, so they can have that as an option. Now, if you want to learn more about subscribe and save, make sure to watch the video I did here, and you can dig more into that as a strategy. So how do you take advantage of those new durations? The process is pretty simple, but it can be impactful. So let me give you a quick guide on walking you through what it would look like. You're going to log into Seller Central. You're going to then go from there, the top menu bar, go to your advertising tab, and then select coupons. Now you want to choose the type of coupon that you want. Like I said, standard, reorder, or subscribe and save. Then you're going to select your products from there, and you can decide on the discount. You can, percentage off, etc. And really then you can do your start and your end dates. Now you want to review it and then submit your coupon, making sure everything is accurate. Now do keep in mind, it does typically take about 6 hours for a coupon to go live after it's been submitted. So it's really best to plan ahead and not wait till the last minute on that. And you can actually create up to 1,000 coupons per day, but always ensure that these things are aligning with your strategy so that there's no overlapping promotions that could really dilute your campaign's effectiveness. And here's another pro tip. Combine those coupons with other promotions, for instance, like lightning deals or sponsored product ads. Doing so can really amplify your brand's visibility, and then you can also maximize those impact of the campaigns, like those ads that you're running to particular products. Example, if you are running a lightning deal and you already have a 20% discount, and then you have a coupon for an additional 5% off, your customers can then stack and get both discounts. That's gonna really make your offer much more irresistible. And that's really a good option if you are trying to really just ramp up sales velocity, selling more, you're trying to really gain maybe more traction for your brand and your visibility on Amazon, or you're looking at really improving your keyword ranking. Now, let's discuss how to adapt your strategy in light of this update, because these changes are going to impact how you've been doing things. And here's 3 key tips that you want to keep in mind. The first is always making sure you're planning your promotional calendar. With the shorter duration, especially those standard coupons, you're gonna have to be really careful to plan out your campaigns. So for a high impact event, for instance, if you're launching a new product, you wanna make sure that you're coordinating those marketing across all of your channels, that you have your product available, so Amazon, Shopify, and beyond. And that update could also impact if you've been keeping coupons running longer, for instance, you may need to start creating coupons more often based on your calendar. So make sure also to like and subscribe to this video if you want to stay updated on the latest with Amazon, so I can know that you and other people are finding value from these videos. And add a comment below if you have something that you want me to dig more into in a future video. Okay, let's talk about leveraging the longer durations. So for businesses that are selling consumables, that 180-day reorder coupon, and then there's that 365-day subscribe and save coupon, those are really going to be helpful tools for you. They're going to encourage those repeat purchases and increase your customer lifetime value. That's really the goal for those. Now, I really do like this new feature, as we work with a lot of brands that do sell consumables. So this is something that I think is going to be really helpful for you. The next thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're monitoring and optimizing. So keep a close eye, as always, on the performance of how your coupons are doing. Are your customers responding better to shorter term deals, or are they looking more at those long-term savings? And then kind of tweak and adjust that strategy that you have based on your data that you're seeing inside Amazon to then maximize your returns and everything. Now, also, here's a tip that I wanted to talk to you about with customer stacking that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. If you're running coupons, you can now choose if you're running a buy one, get one, a percentage off, or a percentage off promotion. You can actually tell Amazon if you will allow customers to stack. And I really actually think this is a great new feature, because in the past, you just actually had to make sure that you didn't have promotions and coupons running at the same time. So that'll give you even more options to test out different promotion types to see what's resonating most with those that are buying on Amazon from your brand. And here's a final tip. The coupons that have been issued before September 5th of 2024, you won't be affected by that update, so you can still run for up to 90 days. At the time of this video is being released after that date. So if you currently have like any promotions or coupons really that you're running, just keep an eye on your expiration dates for all of your coupons, and then adjust your future campaigns and dates accordingly. And you'll just notice that when you go to create new coupons. And as you map out your promotional calendar, think also beyond just those short-term wins. The reorder and the subscribe and save coupons, that's really gonna help you establish longer-term relationships with your customers buying from you more often, more frequently, or just for a longer time frame. While those short kind of term standard coupons, they can really help with your new customer acquisition if that's what your goal is. And all of that obviously is going to contribute to kind of a holistic growth strategy. And you want one obviously that drives both customer loyalty, but also that long-term revenue growth. And if you realize that you want to update your pricing strategy based on what you're testing, I think that you'll find this next video here helpful on creating a pricing strategy using Amazon's discount dashboard.